Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change and find new fonts in the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Canva app, then go to a project that you're working on and just choose the text box. And to change the fonts of the text, you have to tap on the top of the screen. You see this the first menu, and here you can choose fonts from this list. As you can see, there are a few sections. This first one is popular fonts. A few of these popular fonts are free to use fonts, as you can see these, but where you see this little crown are only premium fonts, so you can only use these fonts if you have a premium Canva subscription. But I'm sure that you can find great fonts even in the free version. I was using the free version for quite a long time, so you can get along with it very easily. But if you want to use a wider range of fonts, you can sign up for a premium subscription. They have very nice subscription plans, and yeah, they have a few options. So these are the below the popular fonts section, the English font section. Here they have like hundreds of fonts. They are in alphabetical order, so if you know the name of your fonts, you can find it at that section, or you can even go and search for it. For example, I use a lot of pop-ins font types, and when I type in pop, it's going to pop in, and you can use those pop-ins bold, light, or medium, or thin. And these are a few Asian font types, as you can see. So yeah, that's how you can find fonts in Canva. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.